Hi there, today I'm gonna introduce a very cool, very useful tool. Sometimes when you have an Excel, you wanna share with others, but you don't want to let them know everything. You just want them to show part of it. So you can use a different password to control their access. When you open the Excel here, you can take a look. There's password, you can choose cancel. Then it will only show the first sheet. But actually there are several other sheets there. If we close it and reopen it, we enter the password 123 here. Cool. See, we have so many sheets here. And for the right now we can see, yes, I have some notes here. You can take a look. First, when a sheet name is changed, please copy H4 to N4 and after. Also, they have the different icon, have the different meaning. The first one can edit, second one can only review it. The third one, you cannot see it. See here for the first user 1, 2, 3, it can have access of this sheet, this sheet, this sheet, this sheet, this sheet. And the second user has no access for the admin sheet. We open it and take a look. We enter password 456. Cool. There's no first sheet. They cannot see it. Okay, let's go back to the first user. It's very useful for us. Enter password 1, 2, 3. First user can delete a user and change the password, change whatever you want, like change the wonderful and change it to great and block this one to here, give access to this one here, give access to this one, this one. Also, you can add one more user, it's fine. One more user, called it school, and give him not only the access of this one. They don't want to give him all their access. Cool. That's it. You can close it and reopen it. Somebody needed to enter password. Of course, you want to give somebody some access for the change the access here. You can give him the access. And today I'm not telling you how to edit, how to create this VBA. I will just give you a link below. You can download the link. I will give it access forever. That's all. Thank you for today. Bye. Have a great day.